Hi there, welcome to our quick little tutorial on how to find what you're looking for in your Google Classroom. So first, when you log in, you're going to come to this page, it's the stream, and you're going to click on classwork. This is where the magic happens. This is where anything and everything that I post is going to be for you. So I want you to really focus on this left-hand side, and it's titled All Topics, categories basically. So we have class organization, digital classroom, stay organized, reference/review rooms, reading assignments, math assignments, and you will also have science and social studies later on. So let's look at class organization. In here, you're going to have your VIP room, which I will update every week. Then here you have, this is mainly where I want you to focus on etiquette, passwords, trainings, and office hours and routines. Any question that you have will more than likely be in here. So you're just going to click on that picture, and here is your all of the information stored for you. Whether it's etiquette, meaning your manners, passwords, Google trainings, or how to, including this video, office hours, and routines. So, what I mean by this is etiquette. So, let's say you want to know what are the rules for when when I'm using Google Classroom. So, you're going to click on this folder. It'll take you to the slide. You click on this on the slide that pops up. You click on that again. This pops up and it'll tell you all of the rules and behavior that I expect from you when you're in our Google Classroom. Let's say that you don't want to necessarily know about Google Classroom. You want to know about office hours. So, office hours will be twice a week, and I'm going to have the general hours in this folder, requesting specific times, and then this week's schedule. The reason I'm doing this is so that if you do have a question that you want to ask me or your parents have a question, we can have a video conference where no one else can interrupt. So you have 15 minutes of just me uninterrupted time asking me whatever it is that you want to know, and I'll be there. I want to specifically open this folder though because I want to show you something. So you click on requesting hours, then it tells you once you're in the folder, go to the next slide, and it tells you click here to open the document to request a specific time. So perfect. You're going to click. Now, obviously this is really tiny. You can't see it, right? So you click on it again. It's a little bigger, but you still can't really see it. So you're going to click on here and it'll bring you to another tab. And as you see, Josh Groban, my future husband, as we all know, already took the slot from 11 to 11:15 a.m. So I'm sorry, guys, you cannot take that one. But at 11:15, we can maybe speak to Sia because she has a question about how she's doing, or she has a question on the math assignment, whatever it may be. And I'll see if I can put her into our schedule if nobody else has 11:15. So that is how these drawers work. So anything about manners or your expectations here, passwords, Google training / how-tos, office hours, and over here are our routines if you forget how to do them or you have any questions. Then we have our digital classrooms here, which is going to be explained more in another video, but this is where you would find them. Staying organized, our board. So if you forget what work you have to do or you didn't hand in an assignment, your name will be here. Our reference/review rooms. So here you will have all of the information that you need that you might want to reference to things that we already studied. And in here we have our math manipulatives, which is what I think you might find most useful. So in here, you'll actually have things that you can use. So let's say fraction circles. You click on here, it'll bring up the website. And then you have the different fraction circles that you can play around with to help you understand your fractions, right? So that is it for finding all your information that you might have in our Google Classroom. If you're still confused on something, please just write to me and I will let you know. Thanks and have fun exploring.